Before buying an automatic watch, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Eastern Arabic Dial Watch. We have the automatic black Eastern Arabic Dial men's watch, SNKP21J1, priced at $178.49. The unique Eastern Arabic dial caught my eye immediately, and if you want a watch that stands out while being classy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This watch isn't just about looks. It features an automatic movement, which means it winds itself as you wear it. This is perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. Plus, with over 300 units sold in the past month, it seems like many buyers are also drawn to its unique aesthetics. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a statement piece that commands attention, the size is part of its charm. This is perfect for you if you appreciate unique designs with a touch of tradition. Skip this one if you're after something more understated. At this price point, it genuinely offers great value. Now, if you found the Eastern Arabic dial a bit too bold, this next watch takes a completely different approach with its classic design.
Product number 2, Men's Classic Aerojet Watch. We have the Men's Classic Aerojet 3-hand automatic leather strap watch, priced at $283.65. The open aperture feature caught my attention. It really showcases the watch's inner workings. If you want a blend of classic looks with a modern twist, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this watch apart is its 40-hour power reserve. This means even if you take it off for a couple of days, it'll still keep time well. The leather strap not only adds luxury, but also ensures comfort on your wrist. Plus, with over 100 of these sold recently, it's clear that many others are impressed too. Now, some users noted that the mineral crystal can be prone to scratches, but honestly, if you're careful with your items, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially given how stylish and functional it is. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that balances style and functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for something more sporty. For the price, it offers a nice mix of features and craftsmanship. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a bit of flair with their watches.
Product number 3, Skeleton Dial Watch. Budget-friendly $53.99, we have the men's automatic watch with mechanical movement, skeleton dial, and leather band. The skeleton design really makes it a conversation starter, and if you want something eye-catching without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. This watch showcases its intricate mechanical movement through the transparent dial, which is fascinating for anyone who appreciates craftsmanship. It runs on automatic movement, so you don't need batteries, which is not only convenient, but also eco-friendly. With over 100 recent purchases, it's clear that buyers are loving this unique design. However, some reviews mention that the leather band can feel a bit stiff at first, but here's the thing, it softens up over time and you'll end up with a custom fit that feels great on your wrist. This is perfect for you if you enjoy standout designs and want something fun. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional watch experience. At this price, it's a fantastic way to add character to your watch collection. Now, if you feel like the skeleton style isn't your thing, the next watch on our list might suit your taste with its more sporty vibe.
Product number 4, Citizen Tsuyosa Sport Watch. We have the Citizen Men's Automatic Tsuyosa Sport Luxury Watch, priced at $356.25. Its sporty yet elegant design is what drew me in. And if you're searching for a watch that can transition from work to play, this one deserves your attention. What makes this watch exciting is its durability. It's crafted with a robust stainless steel case and water resistance up to 100 meters. This means it can handle your daily activities or even a swim, which is ideal for an active lifestyle. With 100 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers looking for quality and style. Some people have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy a watch that feels substantial and well-made, this extra weight could be a positive feature for you. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile watch that fits various occasions. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter and less sporty. For the quality and features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great sporty option, but if you're after something more classic, the last watch on our list might be just what you need.
Product number 5, Pro Diver Collection Watch. We have the Men's Pro Diver Collection Coin Edge Automatic Watch, priced at $94.33. The classic diver design is what caught my eye. And if you're after a reliable watch for everyday wear without going overboard on price, this is a great pick. This watch features a unidirectional bezel and is water resistant up to 200 meters, making it perfect for diving or just daily use. The coin edge detail adds a touch of sophistication, making it suitable for casual outings or even more formal events. With over 100 recent sales, it's clear that many buyers appreciate its functionality and style. Now, some users have raised concerns about the accuracy of the automatic movement, but honestly, if you're someone who can appreciate a more traditional watch without needing perfect timekeeping, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that can handle various situations. Skip this one if you need precise timekeeping every second. Given its features, it offers fantastic value for money.
We've covered a diverse range of automatic watches under $1,000, from the unique Eastern Arabic dial to the sporty Citizen Suyosa. Each offers a blend of style and functionality that caters to different tastes and needs. Whether you're looking for something bold, classic, or budget-friendly, there's definitely a watch on this list that can fit your lifestyle.